Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magic English Story World.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our supermarket.
Thank you. This supermarket looks very big.
Yes, sir. We have groceries, vegetables, fruits, snacks, and household items.
That's nice. I want to buy items for my home.
Sure. Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I made a list yesterday.
Great. It will save your time.
First, I need rice and wheat flour.
Rice is in aisle number 2 and wheat flour is nearby.
Which rice is best for daily cooking?
Many customers prefer basmati rice.
Okay, give me 5 kilos of basmati rice.
Sure. Do you need flour?
Yes, 10 kilos of wheat flour.
Here you go.
These vegetables look fresh.
Yes, they come from local farms every morning.
I need potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and green chilies.
How much quantity?
2 kilos of potatoes, 1 kilo tomatoes, and 1 kilo onions.
Anything else?
Yes, some spinach and cauliflower. My family likes fruits.
Fresh fruits are here.
Are these apples sweet?
Yes, they are very sweet and juicy.
I will take 1 dozen bananas and 1 kilo apples.
Would you like oranges? They are on discount today.
Oh great. Add 1 kilo oranges. Where can I find milk and butter?
Please follow me to the dairy section.
I need 2 milk packets and 1 butter pack.
We also have cheese and yogurt offers.
Okay, give me yogurt too. My children love snacks.
Chips, biscuits, and chocolates are in this section.
Give me some biscuits and potato chips.
Which flavor do you prefer?
Masala flavor please.
Do you need cold drinks?
Yes, 1 bottle of juice. I also need soap and detergent.
Cleaning items are on the next shelf.
Give me bathing soap, washing powder, and dishwashing liquid.
We have combo offers today.
That sounds good. I will take the combo pack. Are there any festival discounts?
Yes, if you shop above 2000 rupees, you get a gift.
That's nice. I think my bill will reach that amount.
Good afternoon. Please place items here.
Sure.
Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't.
Would you like to make one? It gives extra discounts.
Yes, please register me.
Your total bill is 2350 rupees.
I will pay by UPI.
Payment received successfully. Thank you for shopping with us.
The service was very good.
Visit again soon.
Sure. Have a nice day.
Thank you.